Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to hide and lock apps using secure folder in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. First you have to go in a setting, scroll down, security and privacy. In the security and privacy, more security settings. Here you can find secure folder option. In the secure folder option, just tap on continue. Basically, it is duplicating our application to use separately in a secure folder. It will take some time. Keep patience. Here it is saying to enter a pin or any type of pattern. So I will select pattern. Continue. Again. Continue. Turn on. Next. Here different type of application are showing. If I want to add another application, I'm gonna tap on plus option. Here you can simply add any application like Facebook. Add. Here it is Facebook. If I will use Facebook from here, it is separate from my mobile phone. Here it is Facebook, and we're gonna take a picture from here like this picture, and here it is, but it will not gonna show on our main gallery. Like here is not showing any type of recent photo which I took on secure folder. Here it is showing. I'm gonna go again on a secure folder. Here you can simply use another options too and try it. If I'm gonna use Facebook from here, it will be different from my main Facebook like this. So it means you can use two Facebook account in a one mobile phone. I hope you like the video. Please make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.